Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Cool Mist Humidifier 4.5 liters. The model number is 907. You can see from the image this is a 4.5 liter humidifier. This is the main unit and this is basically your vapor tank. This particular humidifier comes with ultrasonic cool and safe mist, essential oils supportive, water scarcity protective, wide top opening, easy to clean and refill reservoir, innovative stylish design, works quietly and efficiently, and also easy mist control knob. Some more information here. Net weight is around 1.15 kilos, and yeah, that's more or less it. Okay, the same information in the front of the box is repeated over here as well. It says 4.5 liter capacity, 12 to 22 hours of operation, aroma oil compatible, 30 watts of power, that's the main unit, and 220 to 240 volts. This is basically what you require to run this machine. It's pretty standard for most households. Works as humidifier, moisturizer, air purifier, aroma diffuser and nebulizer. Great solution to dry air, dry cough, dry skin and sinuses. That's it. This is what you'll find inside the box. So that's it. This is what you'll find on the box. Let's open this and show you what's inside. We have right on top. Okay, so this is the quick start guide for the humidifier. There you go. Everything that you want to know you will find over here. And that includes customer support and also a lot of technical specifications in cleaning and management, safety instructions, everything that you want to know is right over here. And you also have this extended warranty from Amazon. Now let's take a look inside. Back to the box. And there you go, this is what the humidifier looks like. As you can see, it's a pretty massive humidifier. This comes with a 4.5 liter water tank right over here. And this is the main unit. This is the 30 watt motor that will create the vapor, the water vapor. Currently that's off stage. You turn it on and then you basically use this knob to control the amount of mist that comes out of this humidifier. Underneath you will notice there are 4 anti-slip rubber stops. As you can see, this will give this particular machine a lot of stability, especially when this will be filled with water. And a lot of components here. I will just give you a very quick look at what these are, and very carefully because this is a absolutely new product. So there are a lot of components inside. Let's see. Yeah. This is basically your mist tube. This has a lot of things in it. This has these filters in it as well. This is what cleans the water vapor that comes out of it. Not just that, this is your air outlet right over here. This is basically your atomizer, and this is the air tube, and this is the, as I mentioned earlier, the mist tube. So the mist gets created over here and it rises through the filters. This has to be attached like so. There you go. And then the mist tube cover goes on top like this. And once you've filled it with water and all the essential oils that you want to add, just cover this lid and basically now you're good to go. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Cool Mist Humidifier 4.5 liter. The model number is 907. Thank you for watching.